Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. And see, it's me. Okay, so today is day 4 of using Anna Griffin's Wildflower Meadows mini album. It's an 8x8 sheets, but this is a little bit bigger. So it came in a box. You can get it on HSN and annagriffin.com. The album itself is 10 by 8.5, but the sheets, because of the mechanism, there's a fly in here, and this is the 8. So this is page 1. I started this on Thursday showing you all the embellishments. This is page 1. We did a double page layout, and we put the second one on the back. Then this is page 2. Look at the layers on that. This one was a 5-minute using just what was in the kit. Simple, easy. And now here is page, well, but this was page 3, this is page 4. So let's pull it out and get started. I need to apologize, I think, because I'm telling you what to cut and all the measurements and how many you need, and I'm looking at it as a 1-page layout because I had already done that one. So if you followed along and you noticed, I forget sometimes that I'm telling you to do a double-page layout when I had already done a single. So hopefully I didn't confuse anyone. So this is what we're going to do. Isn't that pretty? So what we need is a greenish color, or any color you want, and I use this pink, and this is all Anna Griffin supplies, and I use the pinkish color, and a greenish. It almost looks gold, but it's so light and green. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to go back to crop 1, but use whatever you have, and we're going to use this and this. We're going to cut this out with the green twice, one for this one and one for this page, and we're going to cut this one out twice, one for this one and one for that page. Okay, that's all the cutting you need to do. Then we're going to just layer it together, and see, this layer together. So I guess I went ahead and pre-cut this to the size that I needed. Yep, it's 8. Let me tell my daughter. Let me call you back in 2 minutes. I'm making a video. So this is 8 inches, so you need it to be 8 because your paper is 8. Okay, so we took it and we put it across here, and let's measure how high up I went. I went up, my little squares are 1 inch each, so I went up 1 inch, and then the bottom of it started at the bottom. So the bottom started at the second, okay? And then I added, you're going to need 2 of these, and you're going to need 2 of these. And so I glued these together, then I put this in the inside, and it pulls out that color in the paper. Then I have 2 of these, and I had 1 of these, and I have a journaling. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So let's get started. Now you can, let's glue. Well, this is sticky, so we could just pull it off instead of using hot glue. So let's just put this right in the middle. Try to get it as even as possible. Oh, my fingers are stuck. And there we go. Okay, so it's 3 layers. So the only thing you have to figure out is, do you want to put your embellishment border here and have a 2-page layout like that, and then have these 2 like this, and add a little butterfly here, add the word love if you want right here, and then have your journaling card here. Do you want it like that? Because it still coordinates, everything's the same color, and it kind of makes it look a little different but the same. Or do you want to do just like this and go up 1 inch and start on the 2nd inch and put it just like that so it matches? Then you put these 2 cards right here. You can put love right here if you want. You don't have to, because we don't know what pictures are going to go here first. Do that right there, or put that right here in the middle, and put your journaling card here or here. Let's see, the only thing I notice is this needs to be twisted this way so that it matches. See how it's going up and the gold ribbon is at the bottom? So let's just make sure it matches that way. And then put your journaling card here. You could even put that and make a little tag and put love right there, or even put love right there. Well, it got hidden because of the colors, so it really needs like a white background. So which way would you want to do it? I think I'm going to go this way. So let's just move all this and glue it on. I just turned on Charlie my glue gun, so hopefully he is ready, and we are going to start at the 2nd inch and put it on. And I don't know what pictures I'm going to use, so I'm using the Walmart non-permanent on these 2. Cutting out the 2 dies twice is what took the longest. So on this page, it is right above there, so let's have it matching the same height. Want them to be equal. There we go. But if I'm wrong, it is not permanent tape. I still need to run and get my CVS pictures. Put that there. And we're going to stick this right about there. So we're done. That's how quick and easy that was. So it took longer to run these than to show you. So I could put that right there, and that is beautiful in the making. That's not my words, but it is beautiful. So okay guys, I hope you liked this, and thank you, and I'll have another one up. What is today? Tuesday, Wednesday, so I'll have another one up Thursday. Have a blessed day. All my links are down below.